Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my first project from the CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript course. The project is titled Search. So let's dive in. In this project, I built a website that mimics some of the functionalities of Google search. The website has three main pages: a regular Google search, a Google image search, and a Google advanced search. Let's check out each of these pages and see how they work. First up, I'll open the index.html, enter. As you can see, aesthetically it looks like the original Google website. You can see it from here, Google, enter. Well, the logo is different because I made it before a couple of days. So this is the website that I made using only HTML and CSS. So first up, the website has three pages. The first is Google search page that you can see right here, the Google image search and the Google advanced search. You can easily navigate between Google image search and Google advanced search from the upper right corner links that I have provided. So these links make it simple to switch between regular, image and the advanced searches. So let's dive in. So on the Google search page, you can type a query into a search bar. I'll enter query, that is CS50, and then I'll click on Google search button. So it will directly take me to the Google's own search page of CS50, which is my query. And then I'll go back again. You can also notice the search bar is centered with rounded corners and the search button is placed right beneath it, just like the actual Google site. So I've definitely designed it like it's actual a Google site, aesthetically pleasing. So next on, we'll jump to the image search page. So I'll go here, click this link. So in Google image search, you can also type a query like the Google regular search. So I'll type a query, I'll type Porsche GT3 911, definitely the best model. So there you go. It directs to the Google image search results. It works seamlessly, allowing you to quickly find images related to your query. So next on, we'll go back. We'll go at the Google search first and then we'll dive into the advanced search. So the advanced search page lets you refine your search with 4 specific fields. All these words, this exact word and or phrase, any of these words or none of these words. These options give you greater control over your search results. So I'll type first of all CS50 in all these words, and in this exact word or phrase I'll type Harvard. Any of these words, I'll type web development, and in none of this word I'll type MIT. Clicking this button takes you to the search results based on your advanced search query. There you go. You have refined query on CS50 web development Harvard, which doesn't include MIT. So this is how it works, the advanced search. And let me go back. As you can also see that following Google's design, the advanced search options are stacked vertically with left aligned text fields. The advanced search button in Google's own website is like blue and white color, but since I have replicated the dark mode, so it's blue and type of grayish black, but it will work. So let's go back. I'll go to Google search back. So I've also added an I'm feeling lucky button on the main Google search page. Clicking this button takes you directly to the first search result for your query, bypassing the usual search results page. So let's type in the query. I'll type CS50 and then I'll click on I'm feeling lucky button. You might see a redirect notice due to Google's security feature, but that's completely normal. So let's again go back, and at lastly I would mention that the CSS for the site mimics Google's clean and minimalistic design. This ensures a familiar, aesthetically pleasing user experience. So that wraps up my project Zero Search. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of my CS50 web development project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project showcase video.